Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Now, today we are going to continue with this lesson from the
Yes, ma'am.
from page number 27.
Ma'am,
Page number.
ma'am, the Kerala experience.
No
Ma'am,
problem.
28.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Just I want to say that we will means this Kerala experience is related to this only paragraph. So we will continue with the page number 27. Last paragraph I will explain it again as a recall. Here where we have ended last in our last class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is a little doubt that the health situation of most of the people in a country is not good. Now it is a doubtful area that where we can think that health situation of a people in our country is not good. Means somewhere it is good and somewhere it is not good. Means properly people are not getting health treatments or healthcare facilities. Somewhere people are getting healthcare facilities. So it is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare services to all its citizens. So whose responsibility it is to provide the healthcare facilities?
Ma'am, government.
Ma'am, government.
Yes, government. So especially the poor and advantaged. So these healthcare services provided by the government should be specially for the poor and disadvantaged, which are not able to get proper treatment when they are needed. Clear? So however, health is much dependent on the basic amenities. Yesterday I had explained what is basic amenities. Health is dependent on what? Health
Ma'am,
is
basic amenities.
what are,
Amenities.
what are basic amenities?
Ma'am, facilities. Ma'am, amenities means facilities.
Very good. Amenities means facilities, basic facilities. Basic facilities means
Thank you,
nutritious,
ma'am.
good. Nutritious food and clean drinking water, clean surrounding. So this is all what? Basic facilities only. So health depends on these basic facilities as well as social conditions. What is the condition? What is the standard of the people? Now it is the healthcare services. Hence, it is important to work both in order to improve the health situation of our people. That means to improve the health situation of our people, we have to first improve the or we have to first provide the basic amenities to the people and improve the social conditions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Then next is wait a second. Let me take in over. Next, and this can be done. Look at the following example. Now, how the government can take care of these healthcare services that they are provided to all. How the government can see by the following example, we can have an idea. First, the Kerala experience. Now, here in 1996, the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. Some major changes, important changes were made in the Kerala state by the government. 40. Now, what was the change made there? 40% of the entire state budget was given to panchayat. How much percentage of the budget was given to the panchayat?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
40.
40%.
Yes, 40%. For what reason? So that they could plan and provide for their requirement. Whatever requirement is there in that particular area, the budget was given by the government of 40% to these panchayats so that whatever requirement is there, that can be fulfilled by the village panchayat or by the panchayats over there. Now, this made it possible for the village to make sure that proper planning was done for food, water, women's development, and education. Now, with this help of this budget, which was provided by the Kerala government to the village panchayat, what happened in the village? Proper planning was done to provide water, food, women development, and education to the people with this 40% of budget. Clear? So this meant that water supply this meant that water supply schemes were checked, the working of school and Anganwadis were ensured. So, uh, any new student in your class named Tavisha? Tavisha Borana? Are you all aware about this name, Tavisha Borana, beta? Hello?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, wait. A student is waiting by the name Tavisha Borana. Let me see. Okay, now this meant that water supply schemes were checked. Now, with this, to provide proper water facility, the schemes were checked related to the water so that people can be provided clean water. Then this meant that the water supply schemes were checked, the working of school and Anganwadis. Now, the working of schools and Anganwadis. Anganwadis, what are Anganwadis?
Ma'am, garden.
They are the primary schools run by the government. They are the pre-primary schools run by the government. So the working of the school, Anganwadis, and the water-related schemes all were checked so that people can get proper facilities. Now, health centers were also improved. Health centers means uh, related to means medical centers, hospitals and all. All of this help to improve the situation. And when the government has looked into all this situation, then what happened? That they were helped to improve the situation. What type of situation was improved? The situation of what? Health condition was improved. When proper sanitation, health, water, and proper education means through education, how health was facility was taken care through education. एजुकेशन से क्या फायदा हुआ हेल्थ केयर प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट देने के लिए एनीबॉडी
Ma'am, can you please?
now listen by education people were being educated and they were made aware about the knowledge. They were made aware about the knowledge, how to keep themselves clean and healthy, how to keep their surroundings clean. So in this way, the education helped people to keep themselves clean and to keep themselves in healthy environment, and thus the health sanitation was improved. Clear? So health centers were also improved. All of this helped to improve the situation. Despite the efforts, however, some problems such as shortage of medicine, sufficient hospital beds, not enough doctors, and insufficient or not enough doctors remained and checked, and these needed to be addressed. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is the this Kerala approach. You know now. What was the Kerala experience? How the government helped? How the government helped?
Ma'am, by providing 40% of budget to the panchayat.
Yes. Why?
And the planning what was done for water, food, women's development and education.
So that people can be made aware about the health facilities, health sanitation, and all. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So now next year, another example is given of Costa Rican approach. Another example is given about.
Costa Rican approach.
Yes, now you can underline this first. Costa Rica is considered to be the healthiest countries in Central America. So where is Costa Rica approach? Costa Rica located?
Central America.
Yes,
Central America.
Central America. Clear? So now the main reason for this can be found in Costa Rica Constitution. Now why this is considered, Costa Rica is considered to be the healthiest countries in Central America. The main reason behind this is in the constitution. Now, what is the reason? We will study in this paragraph. Several years ago, Costa Rica took a very important decision and decided not to have an army. So, what was decided by the government? That they will not have the
Army.
Army.
Michael, what is the Costa Rican approach?
Costa Rica is a place, is a country in Central America. Clear? And here the Costa Rican approach means what all steps were taken by the government to improve the health condition of its people. That is called as approach. We are studying in this lesson about the health approach only, no? Health conditions only. So this Costa Rica approach means what all steps were taken by Costa Rica government. Costa Rica is a country in Central America. So what all steps were taken by the government of Costa Rica to help in the proper health condition of its people. Darisha, Darisha, who has changed the name? Darisha Borana. Okay, now, so first means what decision was taken? That they will not have an army. Clear? Now this helped the Costa Rican government to spend the money that the army would have used. What was the decision? That they will not have the army, and when they will not have the army, what will happen? Whatever the expense which will be on the army, that will be given on
On health and education.
Yeah.
I'm on health and education.
Very good on health and education. So this helped the Costa Rica government to spend the money that the army would have used. So whatever money which was used by the army, that money, that expenditure was used by whom now? By the government for the health and education of the people. They were of the thinking that if the public or the citizens will be healthy and educated, then definitely the country will develop. ये उनकी ऐसी सोच थी, and that is why they decided not to have an army. This helped the Costa Rica government to spend the money that the army would have used on health and education and the basic needs of the people. And so with this money only, the government of Costa Rica had provided basic needs, basic facilities to its people. Now, the Costa Rica government believes that the country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot of attention to the health of the people. Now, what does Costa Rica government believes? वो क्या सोचती है? किसमें विश्वास रखती है Costa Rica government? That the country is to be healthy. country कैसे healthy हो सकती है? For the development and pays a lot of attention to the health of the people. That first and foremost thing is that the people of the country should be healthy. Then only they will be helping in the development of the country. So the Costa Rican government provides basic services and amenities to all the Costa Ricans. Now what is Costa Ricans? Ricans are the citizens of Costa Rica place. Clear? As we living in India are called as Indians. So Costa Rica people are called as Ricans, Costa Ricans. So the main important step which Costa Rica government has taken is to provide basic services, basic facilities to the people, Costa Rican people. Clear? So for example, it provides safe drinking water. Now what all things are provided? Safe drinking
Water.
Sanitation, nutrition, and housing.
Nutrition and housing.
Yes. No.
Sanitation, nutrition, and housing.
Sanitation, nutrition, and housing means proper care that cleanliness is there, nutritious food is there, and housing facilities is there. So health education is also considered very important, and knowledge about health is essential part of education at all levels. So knowledge about health education was given to the people so that they can be made aware about the health conditions. Clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear? Okay, now last 3-4 lines underline. What all things were provided to the people?
Ma'am, it provides the safe
Safe
drinking
drinking
water,
water,
sanitizer,
sanitation,
nutrition, and
nutrition, and
housing,
housing.
health education.
Yes. Okay. Now this ends the lesson. For for test, that is exams and all, you have to learn, means this lesson is not coming, but the previous lesson number 1 is coming. Read the glossaries and all, important terms of history and geography also. If important terms do you know, or side boxes are there, any picture is there related to that, learn each and everything related to that lesson. Clear? For exam, are you
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
because anything can be asked. If picture information is also given, that picture information can also be asked in the exam. Yes, Modric?
Ma'am, I was asking that, ma'am, when you will take the revision test?
Revision test. Now the lesson is completed. Today, if today time permits, then today only of geography revision work will be given, and revision test. I'm thinking of first.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you please take on the ma'am, please take on the
third of July.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, our exam will be on 5th July.
5th of July exams are starting. The timetable,
Okay.
the timetable is only already been given now. Timetable.
Ma'am,
Yes,
revision
yes,
test.
ma'am.
Then according to the timetable, prepare subjects.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what were you saying about the geography?
Geography means a test I'm going to take first. So you are telling me that to take overall test, that is lesson number 1 of history, lesson 1 of civics, and lesson 1 of geography. Overall test on Google Form link. I am thinking as you have. You also want to be taken on 3rd of July. Okay? 3rd of July will be okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. This 3rd of July, I will take periodic assessment 1 revision test. Not exam, revision test. Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the timing will be 1 to 2.
1 p.m. to
1 to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So now this is decided that
Yes.
that revision test on Google Form link will be given on 1 to 3rd July 1 to 2 p.m. between, and then link will be provided on 3rd July only. Clear? Link will be
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Before that, 3 days are coming. Before that, 3-4 days are there. In that, we will take one revision test of one lesson. Are you understanding?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, only on 2nd is your period.
Only on 2nd is your period.
Yes, ma'am, on 2nd.
Okay. So
July.
today is my period. That is Tuesday. Wednesday, GK will be there, na?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है then Tuesday you do this means this you take your own time and do this work. Clear? And for revision work I will upload the revision work on student portal. स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पर रिवीजन वर्क डेली का एक अपलोड कर दो. You do the answers. And then we are going to discuss. And then we are going to discuss that. So today is 29th. That is Tuesday.
Ma'am, my period will come on Friday and Saturday.
Friday and Saturday my period will come. Then Friday and Saturday will be second and third, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Second and third. So Saturday I'm thinking of giving you test. Then Friday will come. So Friday we are going to discuss the answers. Friday we are going to discuss the answers. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, test timing. Ma'am, what is the timing of the test?
Which test, beta?
Ma'am, which you will take on the 3rd July.
1 to 2 p.m. After the classes.
ma'am.
After the classes I'm going to take.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? After the classes I'm going to take.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
So this PDF today I'm going to share it in the student portal and in the group also. You do this question answers. Take your own time because this lesson is not coming, and prepare nicely for your exams. And learn and read each and everything. Even if the picture is given in the lesson number 1. Even a picture is given and the information about that picture is given, you read that information which is given below the picture also. That can also be asked in the exam. And in civics, glossary is there. Are you listening to me? Are you-
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So this is the civics PDF 7, very short. Then 4 short and 4 long are there. You complete your work. It is not that just now only you have to complete. Take your own time. After the exams, now we will discuss about these question answers, whether you have completed or not. Okay? Because now you have to prepare for your exams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next is this is done. Now this revision work of geography. Just now we will discuss like that only, then you will do it in the notebook. You will write down all the answers only, not the questions. You will write down only the answers in the notebook. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then first is which one of the following is the basic life support system?
Ma'am, environment.
Ma'am, environment.
Yes.
Environment.
Yes, environment. Clear? Then
Yes, ma'am.
which one of the following is created by nature?
Ma'am, mountains, rivers, and trees.
Mountains,
Ma'am, mountains,
Ma'am,
rivers, and trees.
D1. Ma'am, D1.
Okay, okay. Now listen, like this only, the domain of water is referred to. The domain,
Ma'am, hydrosphere.
Ma'am,
Hydrosphere.
yes, hydrosphere. Okay. Now what do plants and animal kingdoms make together?
Biosphere.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
biosphere.
biosphere.
Yes, yes, good, biosphere. Then next is, which one of the following animal is called the sheep of the desert?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
camel.
camel.
Yes, camel. Okay, good. Camel will be the right answer. Then when is the World Environment Day celebrated every year?
Ma'am, 5th June.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 5th June.
23rd June.
5th June.
Okay.
Ma'am, 5th June. D1.
Yes, yes, yes.
5th June, ma'am.
5th June. Then next is who interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs.
Ma'am, human being.
Human being.
Human beings.
I'm human being.
Good. Very
Human being.
yes, good. Which one of the following is not a threat to environment? No.
Ma'am, growing industry. Ma'am, growing industry.
Growing.
Ma'am, growing industry.
Ma'am, growing plants.
Is not.
Is not. हाँ,
Growing plants.
growing
Growing
plant.
plant.
So in
Growing industry.
listen, these are type of question you have to be very careful for not. Not किसके बारे में लिखा है, not लिखा है, नहीं लिखा है. Now just now you what you did, फटाफट पढ़ा and you have started giving the answers. Now your question is which one of the following is not a threat? डर नहीं है environment को.
I'm growing plants.
Plants से बेटा.
Growing plants.
यस प्लांट से कोई एनवायरमेंट को डर नहीं है. पॉपुलेशन से डर है. पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा होगी तो क्या होगा?
Environment मैम environment खत्म हो जाएगा.
ट्रीज काटना पड़ेगा.
So many
Trees are not helpful for the environment. So is not a threat. जिसको environment में जिससे डर नहीं है, that is growing plants. So be careful about these questions. Listen to the questions carefully. और एक आएगा is a threat to environment. अगर not नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर threat to environment तो
Ma'am, growing industries and growing population.
yes. If threat to environment not नहीं होगा यहाँ पर. If threat to environment, threat means डर जिससे नुकसान हो सकता है environment को. नॉट लिखा है तो मतलब नहीं नुकसान होगा. तो नहीं नुकसान होगा किससे? ग्रोइंग प्लांट से. और नॉट नहीं लिखा हुआ है, नुकसान होगा. दैट मीन्स किससे नुकसान होगा? पॉपुलेशन से भी और इंडस्ट्री से भी. क्लियर? देन बायोस्फीयर सॉरी हाइड्रोस्फीयर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ
Atmosphere.
Biosphere.
हाइड्रोस्फीयर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ.
Biosphere.
Now two main constituents of environment are very good. So like these 25 questions I have given. Clear?
मैम एग्जाम में कितने आएंगे?
एग्जाम में कितने आएंगे मीन्स? एग्जाम में तो
कितने एमसीक्यूज आएंगे?
टोटल 30 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर ना, 1 मार्क ईच. और एमसीक्यूज में डिफरेंट आपको पैटर्न दिया ना, पेपर दिया है आपको, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ट्रू एंड फॉल्स भी हो सकते हैं, वन वर्ड के भी हो सकते हैं, या फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स भी हो सकता है, चूज द करेक्ट भी हो सकता है. क्लियर? तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पेपर पैटर्न, बट इट विल बी इन एमसीक्यू फॉर्म, multiple choice. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope it is clear everything. So we have decided 3rd of July for revision test on Google Form. Why not 2nd? Why not 2nd? 2nd July क्यों नहीं रख रहे हैं आप?
Ma'am, because in 2nd July there is one more test.
Okay, fine. Fine. So 3rd of July is final date. So that's all for today. I hope everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I end the class today here only. Thank you.